Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hopefully you all will be fine. Like before, again I bring the some important video about you. So guys, today we will discuss about the how I turned $100 into $1,000 using this simple trading method. So guys, without wasting time, we start the video. Let me be honest with you from the start. This is not story about luck. It is not about a secret indicator, and it is definitely not about gambling in the markets. This is about discipline, patience, and understanding how the market actually work. When I start trading, I had only $100 in my account. That was money I could afford to lose comfortably. It was everything I had decided to risk at that time, and like most beginners, I thought trading was simple. I believed I just needed the right signal, the right strategy, or the right indicator, and money would start growing automatically. But very quickly, the market taught me a hard lesson. When the first few days I lost trades, not because the market was wrong, but because I was wrong. I was entering too fast. I was chasing trade. I was emotional. Every small movement in the chart made me feel like I had act immediately. I was overtrading without even realizing it. And that is where most traders fail. They don't fail because trading does not work. They fail because they don't control themselves. At the point, I realized something important. If I continue to trade like this, my $100 account would not survive. So I stopped everything for a moment. I did not look for a new indicator. I did not search for perfect strategy. Instead, I focused on one thing only: understanding price behavior and controlling my decisions. That changed everything. I stopped trying to trade every moment in market. Instead, I start waiting for clear structure, waiting for strong confirmation, waiting for moments where the market actually gave me an opportunity instead for me forcing one. This is where the simple method start forming. It was complicated. It did not require fancy tools. It was based on these basic things: trend, sports, and resistance and patience. First, I learned how to identify the trend, because if you trade against the trend, you are basically fighting the market itself. I start observing whether the market was moving upward, downward, or sideways, and I only took trade in the direction of the trend. Second, I focused on support and resistance. These are the levels where the market often facts and reacts. Instead of guessing, I waited for price to come into these zones. That alone removed a lot of bad trade from my system. Third and most important, I learned patience. I stopped thinking that I had been a trade all the time. Some days I did not take any trade at all, and surprisingly, those were the days my account stopped bleeding. Now, let me be clear, they did not make me a profitable overnight. There were still losses, there were still mistakes, but something changed. My losses became controlled, my wins start become bigger than my losses, and slowly my $100 stopped shrinking and start growing. This is the point most people ignore. Trading is not about how many trade you take, it is about how good your trade are. Most beginners think more trade means more money, but in reality, more trade usually means more mistake. And that exactly what happened to me before I changed my approach. Once I simplified everything, I stopped reacting emotionally. I stopped entering trade out of boredom. I stopped chasing the market. I became selective. And the selectiveness is what started building consistency.